Good afternoon. We are the team number 9, and we are going to talk about the reactors. Now I'm going to say the index. First, I'm going to start with a little introduction, and then we are going to talk about what is a reactor and the types. Then the application, a little conclusion, and for the last, the bibliography for this presentation. For introduction, I'm going to say that the design of reactor is a fundamental part of the career of chemistry engineering. That is hard, and the calculus it was so longer. That is so important, this topic for the career.
What is a chemical reactor? A chemical reactor is an enclosed volume in which a chemical reaction takes place in a chemical engineer. It's generally understood to be a process vessel used to carry out a chemical reactions, which is one of the classic unique operations in chemical process analysis. The design of a chemical reactor deals with multiple aspects of chemical engineer.
Types of chemical reactors. There are 3 types of chemical reactors: batch reactor, continuous stirrer tank reactor, and piston flow reactor. Choosing one of these depends on what variable you want to control, temperature or pressure, and how well you need the solution to be mixed.
Another important point about the reactor is that the design of a chemical reactor requires knowledge of thermodynamics, chemical kinetics, mass and energy transfer, as well as fluid mechanics. Two, material and energy balance are necessary in general. It is so to know the size and type of reactor, as well as the method of operation. The application of a chemical reactor are for pharmaceutical production in the fermentation process, for complicated processes of expensive products, and typically for liquid phase reactors that require long reaction times.
So as a conclusion, as we look over in these layers, the chemical reactors are very important in the industry. They develop a primordial place. Therefore, we can assume that the heart of the transformation and production process takes place at them, because in this equipment, the reactions or the multiple reactions take place. It is extremely important to know which reactor should we select, because as we see, they are built for different purposes, like their design depending on the temperature or pressure, mainly. The material is also an important factor to have in mind. So all of these have an impact in the outcome of our product. We're always looking forward to keep reducing the production cost and raise up the quality of the product. Obviously, always having in mind that the reactor accomplishes the security settings for the job. So that's all.